So I've had some stuff shipped to me recently that I think was packed poorly. I won't go into details, but this is my new slip ring for my i1500. Easter Breeze just sent this to me, and should be an example for other shippers. This thing came to me wrapped in this wad of bubble wrap, which was wrapped in this wad of heavier bubble wrap, which was wrapped in this wad of heavier bubble wrap, which was then wrapped in this bunch of bubble wrap and paper, and was then packed in this envelope. They could have drove a truck over it, and it would have got to me just fine. So, i1500 back in the air very soon.